What's up, guys? Doing something different today. We are going to take a look at a watch that I just picked up. Normally, if you watch the channel, you would see this kind of stuff. But today, we're gonna go and look at this beautiful watch that I just picked up today. And I'll go into like why I'm doing this and why I wanted to make a video about this. Box is cool. It's a box within a box. It's a wooden box like this. It looks great. There is, it looks like a, some forms. The card here. We'll get a close up on that. The card. There's a little. There's that little thing. And then there is this booklet. There's this little booklet. I don't really care too much about that. So the box it comes in is great. I actually really like how it's like a kind of just the wood. It feels like it's pretty good, like legit wood. The quality of it feels great. Let's open it up here. So inside the box looks great. The watch is super reflective, so the drawback to that is situations like this, but obviously that's not a big concern for me in the day-to-day. So let's go ahead and let's get the watch out here. On the table here, it's a leather strap. The leather is good quality. I like the coloring that's on the stitching of it. That's great. It goes with the whole khaki look. That's the khaki. The watch is just a winding watch. You literally just wind it to get the time corrected. So that's the back of the case right there. It's a pretty good movement. It's just overall a really beautiful watch. Here is the watch on the wrist. Let's get a shot of that real quick. So I took it off just real quick to kind of go over, like why I got the watch, why, I've wanted the watch for a little while now. So this is obviously the Hamilton Khaki automatic. They call it Murph Watch. This is from the movie Interstellar. Awesome movie. Obviously, I didn't just buy the watch because of a movie, even though some people actually do that. They just collect watches based on movies, and that's kind of cool too. I think that's pretty interesting. But this was something where I looked at it before, didn't know if I should do it or not. I have several other watches, but for the bang for the buck, this is one of the top watches I have as far as the bang for the buck. I have about 15 other watches that, if you guys like this content, like I said, obviously this channel is more geared towards vehicles and my GTR and my project now I have. But if you guys are wanting to see more of this, comment below and we'll get into it. But yeah, I just wanted to try something different today because I was super excited to get this. I think it's a great watch, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Comment below, like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you guys later.